Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Audacity from your Windows computer. This full guide is updated for 2026 and is perfect for beginners. First, click the Windows Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, click Apps, then open Installed Apps. In the search box, type Audacity to find the program quickly. Once you see Audacity in the list, click on it and select Uninstall. A confirmation message may appear. Click Uninstall again to continue. Windows will begin removing Audacity from your computer. Wait for the uninstall process to finish. This may take a few moments depending on your system. After the process is complete, close the uninstall window. To confirm that Audacity has been removed, open the Start menu and search for Audacity. If it no longer appears in the search results, the program has been successfully uninstalled. Uninstalling Audacity can help if you want to reinstall the latest version, fix software problems, or free up storage space. That's how to uninstall Audacity from a Windows computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.